In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Who Live Video Chat app for Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google Play Store on your Android smartphone and tap on it. Now from Google here, you'll see we have a search option here or another one here. Go ahead and search for Who, and you'll see we have this Who app here. If you tap on it, you can see this is the right app. It has over 278,000 reviews with a star rating of 4.4, and it is from Media Republic Apps. Currently, the app is around 196 MBs with over 50 million downloads at the time of recording. Now, this is the current logo for this app. To download it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and begin the download process. And once it has been downloaded, it will be installed, and from here you can proceed and open it. Alternatively, if you go back to your apps, you should be able now to see your Who app here. So that's how you can download and install the right Who app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.